Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tricelle. I'm an adult dog collector. I love all things 1/6 scale. Today I'm taking you guys shopping with me. I'm going to one of my favorite thrift stores to see if I can find me some miniatures or some dolls. So I was looking and I only found one Barbie doll, and today nothing is on sale. So this doll right here is $3. She has some articulation, a classic face, and I like the nightgown, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab her. And then, so I was looking at these babies here. So I don't really collect baby dolls like this, but I thought some of them were interesting, so I was taking a look here, and ultimately I didn't get anything, so I did just decide to keep it pushing and go to the next store. So now I'm at my Goodwill thrift store, so let's take a look and see what we can find. And right off the bat, I found this Rainbow High card here, and it's $3.99. It is missing a wheel, but I was able to find the wheel laying around, and for $3.99, I think this is a good little find, so I'm gonna grab it. And this store didn't have a lot of stuff here too. I did find this action figure, the Riddler from the Batman series, and it was $2.99. Ultimately I did not get it, but I thought it was interesting. I'm just gonna go right next door to Goodwill is the Dollar Tree, so I'm just gonna go there. So they have a lot of Christmas decorations out here, and I thought I was going to be doing some window shopping, and I saw all of these Christmas decorations and things of that nature, and I did decide to just get me a basket and do a little bit of shopping. There are so many different Christmas decorations. This is the ice tray, but I was thinking it would be good because I don't think it's made of silicone, but it might be good for like dough or what do you call that, polymer clay. And I'm looking at these Christmas trees over here and all the other decorations, and I'm just gonna let y'all look at all the Christmas section and then just come on back. Now all the decorations and everything was $1.25 each, and I was especially happy to find the little miniature pre-wrapped gifts for $1.25. And then they did have different sizes, and then they also had these miniature drums that are like in Christmas colors that I thought was really cute too. And then again, we have these miniature bowls that I think are adorable. And then I found these miniature little towns or whatever, and they're all $1.25. Everything I'm looking at is $1.25. I'm not trying to spend anything more than that. So I basically bought every single miniature house that I could find. They also had these little miniature figures that I thought would go great with the little towns or whatever. And then we have some more miniature Christmas trees that I thought are cute, along with ribbon. We can always use ribbon when crafting for our little 1/6 scale world. So now I'm in the toy section looking at the Hot Wheels and the other little small little action figures here. Had some pretty cute ones. I thought those were cute. And then I had Pluto, that Disney character. I just grabbed that because I didn't have that one from what I collected. More Sesame Street figures, the Incredible figures. And I also found some more miniature Barbies, and I was super excited about that because it was some that I didn't have, so I grabbed some of those. Have some more fashion packs and some more fashion packs for Chelsea dolls. They have more of these miniature little cottages again for $1.25. And then we have some dolls here that are also $1.25. We also have some dollhouse plastic furniture here. And then I saw these little blind bags, SpongeBob, Jungle, and Kitty in My Pocket little figures, all $1.25 each. On this aisle, these toys are not $1.25. They're like between $3 and $5. I didn't get any of these items, but I thought I would show it just in case anyone else who's interested. And they have more wall posters, but I didn't find any that would go good in my dioramas, so I did pass on these. We're gonna look at the stationery section along with the craft section to see if we can find anything. Look at these adorable socks. Like, I cannot. Snoopy, Spam, what? Planters, what? Nutter Butter. Are you kidding me? Star Trek. Okay, I'm a Trekkie. I'm gonna have to get that. Pringles. Adorable. Look at that, Rice Krispies. Like, I cannot with these adorable socks. Look at that. That is adorable. Forrest Gump. Okay. No, Nerf. Not nerds. Nerf. Adorable. Okay. I have like $20 in socks. I'm leaving. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and pay. So if you like the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. Please also comment and share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. And until the next time, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.